the best engine ever made. How do you guys like it? The drive in this car is just, you feel so dominant. Honestly, pure love. Let's start today's drive. Hello guys, and welcome back to another video where today you join me right inside the all new 2025 model Mercedes-AMG G63. Today, I'm kind of excited. Whenever we drive an AMG V8, we are excited. Let me jump outside and show you the car before we actually start our drive. Let's go. It's snowing in Germany. It's freezing cold, so this will be one of the fastest exterior tours. Yeah, the exterior color is a brown matte finish. It's called Monster Grey Magno, but it looks like brown. And we have the nice golden wheels here, which are optional. The matte brown with the golden wheels look absolutely amazing. The red calipers somehow looks a bit off, but anyways, this is a facelifted version of the G63, the W465 with the updated front. We have slight changes on the body. Dimensions is exactly the same, design is exactly the same. Yeah, it's staying true to its traditional look. We have the carbon fiber cover here on the back. It's quite cool. Golden wheels, and we have the exhaust here. Let me just put the GoPro here and listen to the sound, right? Sound. So what do you think about the exhaust note? Let me open up this part as well. As soon as I pull it, we have something quite exciting right underneath here. Here we go. 4-liter V8 twin turbocharged AMG engine, which gives me goosebumps whenever I drive it. 585 horses, no hybrid model. So this is pure V8 power, built by Raphael Bidiak. Thank you so much, man. Built one man, one woman, one engine in Autobahn. The best engine ever made. How do you guys like it? Let's get on and let's start today's drive. Yeah, regarding the interior specifications, we have a full black leather Alcantara interior here with a lot of carbon fiber details, bits and pieces. We have the ambient colors all around. It's also updated, as you can see, also on the air vents. Let me put on the seat belt. It's also in black here. The airbag cover finished in leather. The car is already set in Sport Plus, but you can drive it also in comfort or in slippery. Literally snowing today in Germany, as we have 2.5 degrees Celsius, insanely cold. Anyways, we need something to heat it up. Yes, the V8, and we will be moving towards the German Autobahn, so let's get it on. All right, we are making our way towards the German Autobahn now, and we are ready to go. Unrestricted now. It's a bit wet, but anyways, pushing it a bit. And as we have winter tires on this G63 in specific, the car is limited to 240 kph, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, this car is not all about driving high speed. It's just a statement. The G63 is the weirdest car ever made, but yet so excellent. I really love it. I'm a huge fan of it. I mean, 99% of its customers literally drive it through the cities. It's just iconic to own, but people don't really know what this car is capable of. Yeah, we'll be demonstrating you that on the German Autobahn here. Unfortunately, a bit rainy, a bit snowy. German weather is unpredictable. Whenever I left, it was quite dry. The car is still set in Sport Plus. The exhaust is on. I think there's all natural exhaust noises, as we have no fake sound in the inside, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. Gives you so much grip, so much confidence whenever you drive this car. Excellent, honestly, lovely. The 4MATIC system works perfectly. When you off-road the car, you have the locks here as well. You can choose whatever you like. The drive in this car is just you feel so dominant. Honestly, amazing. With the G63, you will feel confident wherever you drive. Even whenever you drive off the Autobahn, these kind of curves, the car is well balanced, and this is something specifically for the all new G-Class, the G63, as we have an amazingly balanced car here. It's unlimited here. It's a bit more dry. Yeah, 170. Yeah, in terms of V8 sound, it's absolutely fantastic. I mean, there's nothing better than this, right? The feeling of an AMG V8 is just love. It's pure love. Let's go, Volkswagen. Mr. Tiguan, move out the way. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it on. 180, 190, 200, 210, 20, 30. That's it. 235 is actually the max. It's a bit more dry, as you can see. That's why I felt more confident. Yeah, you get all these wind noises, which is quite usual for G63. You can instantly hear it. Full throttle. It's completely dry here. 200 easy. Now breaking it down. Yeah, you feel so confident with this G63 AMG, and the sound is just absolutely perfect. Honestly guys, whenever you ask me, the perfect G-Class is a G-Class with a diesel engine, with a 6-cylinder diesel engine. Now hear me out, daily driving that car is the best. But if you love a V8 as much as I do, the G63 is it. Ay, there's another G-Class brother. I think it's the exact same car. This is so cool. Really nice. Just look at that. The exact same color. Insane. Anyways, the G63 is it in terms of setting a statement. Whenever you drive this, you feel so confident on the streets. This car is all about respect. I respect this a lot. And even when you drive this, people on the street, they respect you. They will give you way, they will move out the way, as you've just seen on the Autobahn. Just a car has an aura, it's incomparable. There's nothing like it. All the other manufacturers try to build an SUV that's trying to come closer to this here, but this is a Geländewagen, it's a G-Class, it's iconic since 1979, and this is it. I really hope AMG will keep building the G63 because it's just the best. Soon a G-Class Cabriolet is following. I'm not sure if it will be based on the G63, and there will be a mini G coming as well. In terms of look, it will be just a smaller version of the G-Class. I think it will be same wheelbase as a GLB maybe. Way shorter wheelbase than this G-Class here. Anyways, how do you guys like today's drive? Leave it in the comment section below. I mean, that's about it for today's video. G63 AMG. What do you guys think about it? Hot or not? I've just seen that Mercedes has increased the prices of the G63 a lot as there's crazy demand on it. Do you think people will still be crazy about the G63 in the next few years? Do you think the hype is over? Please share your comments in the comment section below. I am super thankful for all the support, and yeah, I love this car so much. Special thanks to Mercedes-AMG sending us this amazing car. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.